are pushing for policies that prioritize marginalized communities. Policy changes. The Inflation Reduction Act includes measures to address climate change, but critics argue that more ambitious action is needed. States like California are leading the way with renewable energy targets and emissions reduction plans. Immigration continues to be a polarizing issue, with debates over border security and the treatment of asylum seekers. Current landscape: the U.S. sees high levels of migration from Central and South America, driven by poverty, violence, and climate change. Policies like Title 42 and family separations have sparked widespread criticism. Impact on society: immigrants play a crucial role in the U.S. economy, particularly in sectors like agriculture, healthcare, and technology. Anti-immigrant sentiment and xenophobia are rising, fueled by misinformation and political rhetoric. Proposals: advocates call for comprehensive immigration reform, including pathways to citizenship and protections for dreamers. Opponents emphasize stricter border controls and enforcement. Technology is transforming society, but not everyone has equal access to its benefits. The digital divide: rural and low-income communities often lack access to high-speed internet, limiting educational and economic opportunities. Efforts like the Broadband Equity, Access, and Deployment (BEAD) program aim to close this gap. Misinformation: social media platforms are amplifying disinformation, fueling polarization and undermining trust in institutions. Solutions: digital literacy programs and stricter regulations on tech companies are being proposed to address these issues. Climate change is reshaping ecosystems, weather patterns, and economies across the U.S. Evidence of change: extreme weather events, hurricanes, wildfires, and heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense. For example, Hurricane Ian in 2022 caused over $113 billion in damages, highlighting the economic and human toll. Rising temperatures: the past decade was the warmest on record, with 2023 marking unprecedented heat waves across the southern U.S. Melting ice and rising seas, coastal cities like Miami face increasing threats from rising sea levels and flooding. Impact on communities' health: higher temperatures exacerbate respiratory issues, heat-related illnesses, and the spread of diseases like Lyme and West Nile virus. Economic disruption: industries such as agriculture, tourism, and real estate face significant losses due to climate-related events. Social inequity: vulnerable populations, including low-income communities and people of color, are disproportionately affected by climate impacts. The U.S. is home to diverse ecosystems, but many species are under threat due to habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. Endangered species: iconic species like the monarch butterfly in North Atlantic